This is data entry software. Here it would ask for the password credentials. That's for the security purpose of the software. Now you can see the interface. Now this is the place where you enter data, and these are all the required details that our client asked us. So this is customized software for the company. The purpose of showing this is to show our portfolio. Now as you can see, we have it entered the data. Now when you press the submit button and press on the view results, it will show you this interface. Now if I enter another data, I'm just putting the random values. This can be anything. This was basically customized for the company so they can enter data with ease. Now if I press on the submit button and press on view results, this will show that another data has been added. Now if I press on the back button and press on generate file, then it will give me a customized with fully detailed Excel file as seen here. This has more details relatively than the file that was showing on the interface. Thank you.